So beautiful, amazing, guys. Wow. People are enjoying, really enjoying. Sunset. Look at this, guys, sunset. What a beautiful sunset. Relaxing music, the birds enjoying, and as well as people are more enjoying this because of sightseeing and birds. Wow, I really love it, this place. I came, this is second time, no, third time. Last few months ago, but here is no birds, so I just came in back. But nowadays the birds are already here, so these birds is hot weather. They go back to their country, their place, like Tibet, Mongolia maybe. But in the cold season, they're coming back here because Mongolia and Tibet is so cold. They are very smart. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Wow, so beautiful scene, ocean and the red sunset and the mountain. Wow, so beautiful. Hi, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. For next video, thank you so much for watching. See you guys. Looks so beautiful, isn't it? Mind blowing. Yeah. So really fresh, beautiful, mind fresh, wow. Peaceful and peaceful, peace of mind. Amazing, guys. the birds, the sunset, sun is go down. This is after 6 p.m.
The time was like 6
So
o'clock
very
after
cool.
6 p.m.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Bye bye.